Oh my gosh. Well, hindi naman talaga gano'n kasakit, pero masakit pa rin kasi talo na naman tayo. 0-2 na po ang Gilas Pilipinas and we fall down against New Zealand, the Tall Blacks. Tall Blacks, Black ho, and nabubulol na ako. Pero there are some good things and some bad things, but overall, we were just not good enough to beat a better team. 94-86. We tried, but um, in order to win the basketball, you need to have good game all throughout. We only had a good third quarter, and this is not proof. Ating pong first ang 23 points yung yung New Zealand, 18 points yung Philippines. Second quarter, ganun din. Third quarter lang talaga yung medyo maganda sa atin. The rest of the quarter, wala. Sablay, talo. And we're not gonna be winning if this is the kind of performance that we do. Of course, I watched the game. I think the opportunities are the outside shooting is very bad, and the defense on the outside shooting is also very very bad. Let's look at the game stat real quick here. Tingnan lang natin tong game stats. Game stats. Biggest lead 18 points. Grabe oh. Look at the stats. 32.14, pangit pa ngayon yung una, no? Pero at least nakabawi ng konti. Rebound, out-rebounded tayo dito. Turnover is not bad. Actually, mas marami pa rin sa New Zealand. It was just our defense. And of course, ang isa, no, hindi na naman natin kailangan maging expert eh. Para alamin ito eh. Um, just not enough help with the scoring as well in the defense. Si Chris Newsome, 8 points. Calvin off na naman, off Tana. Scotty Thompson was quiet also with 2 points. Junmar Fajardo, naka 11 points. Pero liability sa defense, narinig ko yung coach. Sabi ng coach, pag si Junmar Fajardo, pasukin mo na yan. Dwight Ramos had 19 points. But who else is gonna help? Kevin Kiambao, 5 points lang. 9 minutes lang kasi pinalaro si Kevin Kiambao eh. 9 minutes lang at saka si Carl Tamayo. 7 minutes lang. Justin Brownlee scored 37 big points. AJ Edu had a bad game. Well, good defensively but offensively wala. Kapos. So, ang tatanong kung tayo ba'y tanggal na, hindi pa po tayo tanggal. May pag-asa pa tayo. Third place nga lang. And I think this time around, kumpiyansa na tayo na mananalo tayo against Iraq. But you know what's the worst thing here? By the way, before I tell you the worst thing, so, ang kumanasa ka dito si Ngatay, nasa si Ngatay yun. Ngatay, 22 points. Miller, 8 points. 12 points si Cameron. Si King, 11 points. 19 points si Taylor Britt. Just New Zealand is New Zealand. As simple as that. What else can we say? Talo tayo sa Chinese Taipei. Obviously, kung hindi natin matalo Chinese Taipei, paano pa kaya ang New Zealand? Pero sa Sabado po, may pag-asa na tayong manalo. At saka hindi nyo na kailangan magpuyat. Grabe, puyat kasi kaya natatalo siguro, puyat. But Gilas Pilipinas, ang masasabi ko lang, well, ayoko nang mambash eh. Hindi naman ako nang babash talaga. Ayoko nang masyado mag-criticize kasi alam ko sa comment section sobrang dami ng sasabihin ninyo eh. It's just too bad that we are on this stage again. I thought we are already on that stage na medyo tumaas na yung level pero parang pag makikita ko sa comment section na may magko-comment na ang i-comment eh, okay na yan sir kasi at least hindi tayo natambakan. Parang dati ganun tayo eh, no? Parang pag nakakatapat natin yung mga European or mga ganito, ay talo na tayo dyan. Basta let's just be respectable. It wasn't like that, no? And I don't know, man, just talo na naman tayo. Kayo ano sa tingin niyo naging problema? comment nyo nga kung anong naging problema ng Gilas Pilipinas dito sa laro na ito. This specific game. So, bukas na natin pag-usapan yung iba because this is just a heartache. Man, 0